Savant syndrome is a rare and remarkable condition characterized by exceptional abilities in specific areas, such as mathematics, music, art, memory, or spatial skills, often coexisting with significant cognitive or developmental challenges. People with Savant syndrome possess an extraordinary capacity to excel in a particular domain, far beyond what would be considered typical even for individuals without cognitive impairments. The phenomenon was popularized by the 1988 movie Rain Man, which depicted an individual with remarkable mathematical and memory skills. Savant abilities are typically categorized into 5 main areas: musical, artistic, mathematical, mechanical, and prodigious memory. Individuals with musical Savant abilities can play intricate pieces of music by ear, often exhibiting perfect pitch and complex improvisational skills. Artistic savants create detailed and intricate drawings, paintings, or sculptures, sometimes displaying a remarkable level of creativity and attention to detail. Mathematical savants excel in numerical calculations, sometimes calculating complex operations rapidly and accurately. Mechanical savants exhibit an uncanny ability to understand and manipulate mechanical systems, often without formal training. Prodigious memory savants can recall vast amounts of information, ranging from historical dates to obscure facts. Savant syndrome's underlying mechanisms remain a subject of research and speculation. Some theories suggest that the condition might arise from an alteration in brain connectivity, allowing for an intensified focus on specific regions responsible for the exceptional skills. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself, could also play a role in channeling resources to enhance these skills. It's important to note that while Savant abilities are extraordinary, they are often accompanied by challenges. Many individuals with Savant syndrome have significant difficulties in social interactions, communication, and daily living skills. The condition itself is still quite rare, and the occurrence of Savant abilities is even rarer, with estimates ranging from 1 in 10,000 to 1 in 1 million individuals. The study of Savant syndrome holds great potential for understanding the brain's remarkable capabilities and limitations. Researchers are investigating how these exceptional abilities can be harnessed to develop innovative approaches in education and therapy. For instance, some teaching methods aim to tap into the strengths of individuals with Savant syndrome to facilitate learning for others. In conclusion, Savant syndrome is a fascinating and complex condition characterized by extraordinary skills in specific areas, often coupled with cognitive challenges. These exceptional abilities challenge our understanding of human potential and cognition, offering insights into the mysteries of the human brain while reminding us of its remarkable diversity.